Hello and welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. This is class 3 IGQ paper for the year 2020, previous year paper with answers at the end of video. Let's start the video. First section is general awareness. Question 1. Gandhi Jayanti is a dash festival of India. A. Religious, B. Folk, C. Harvest, D. National. Second, cereals are rich source of dash, while pulses are rich source of dash. A. Proteins carbohydrates, B. Fats carbohydrates, C. Carbohydrate proteins, D. Fats proteins. So cereals are rich source of while pulses are rich source of. Now choose the correct option. Third, the outermost layer of the tooth is called dentine, root, pulp, enamel. A person who collects, writes or reports news or other current information to public is known as A. Estate agent, B. Radiographer, C. Journalist, D. Secretary. Fifth, which of the following is not needed by a plant to make food? Which of these following is not needed by a plant to make food? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Water, C. Sunlight, D. Oxygen. Which of the following plants stores food in its roots? Which of the following plants stores food in its roots? Which of the following birds makes its nest with pebbles? So which bird makes its nest with pebbles? See the pictures and choose the correct option. Question 8. The famous monument shown in the picture is located in. Now see the picture where the monument is located. Options are Paris, Sydney, Rome or Zurich. Which of the following states was changed into Union Territory in 2019? Which states changed into Union Territory in 2019? A. Haryana, B. Delhi, C. Sikkim, D. Jammu and Kashmir. Rouhani and Shalini have a sheet between them. They cannot see each other at all. What could this sheet be made of? A. Glass, B. Frosted glass, C. Copper, D. Clear plastic sheet. Which planet has the shortest day in our solar system? Which planet has the shortest day in our solar system? A. Neptune, B. Mercury, C. Jupiter, D. Venus. Temperature is measured with the help of A. Thermometer, B. anemometer, C. hygrometer, D. stethoscope. Select the correct option to replace the underlined word in the following sentence with its opposite. I visit his house occasionally. Now find the opposite of occasionally. Options are hardly, frequently, seldom, periodically. Who wrote Ramcharitmanas? A. Tulsidas, B. Surdas, C. Rama, D. Hanuman. 15th. The famous Hope Diamond is placed at National Museum of Natural History in A. England, B. Germany, C. Singapore, D. United States. So where Hope Diamond is placed at National Museum of Natural History. 16th. Bay of Bengal is a part of A. Pacific Ocean, B. Arctic Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, D. Indian Ocean. Which of these is not a special means of transport? A. Ambulance, B. Auto rickshaw, C. Fire engine, D. Police car. So which of these is not a special means of transport? Question 18th. The given road sign means. Now see the road sign picture given. What does it mean? A. Stop, B. No parking, C. Man at work, D. School ahead. Who is popularly known as God of Cricket? A. Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, Kapil Dev, Sachin Tendulkar. 20. The terms volley, smash and service. The terms volley, smash and service are related to which of the following sports? A. Cricket, B. Tennis, C. Billiards, D. Baseball. Current affairs. 21. M. Venkaiah Naidu is the current dash of India. M. Venkaiah Naidu is the current dash of India. A. President, B. Vice President, C. Prime Minister, D. Supreme Commander of Armed Forces. 22. Which of the following won the Nobel Peace Prize 2020? A. European Union, B. World Food Programme, C. UNESCO, D. National Dialogue Quartet. Who is the current Prime Minister of Australia? Scott Morrison, Jair Bolsonaro, Eduardo Philippe, Shinzo Abe. When is the National Girl Child Day observed in India? National Girl Child Day observed in India on which day? A. 26th January, B. 24th January, C. 5th February, D. 23rd February. 25th. Which country won 2020 ICC Women's T20 World Cup? Which country won the 2020 ICC Women's T20 World Cup? A. India, B. Australia, C. Sri Lanka, D. South Africa. You had a fight with your friend. Which of the following you should do? A. Talk it out. B. Tell him that he is not your friend anymore. C. Ignore his thoughts and feelings. D. Never talk to him. 27th. Ria gets late for school every day. She should A. Wake up as soon as the morning alarm rings. B. Sleep very late in the night. C. Blame the school bus driver. D. Blame her parents. You see one of your friends shoplifting pen set in a shop. How will you do? What will you do? A. You will ask him to pick one for you. B. You will stop him from doing so. C. You will shout and let everyone in the shop know about this. D. You will encourage him to pick other items too. 29th. Which of the following is a good habit? A. We should watch TV till late night every day. B. We should drink soft drinks daily as they make us more energetic. We should not spend money on the things that we do not need. We can litter in public places. Question 30. When you are ready to leave, where should you place your used napkin after finishing your meal? In the plate you were eating, B. On the right side of the plate, C. On the left side of the plate, or on the chair you were sitting. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Now this is achiever section. It has highest weightage, so do it carefully. Now column 1 has some country names: France, Indonesia, Iraq and Japan, and column 2 has their currency: rupiah, dinar, yen, euro. Now match them correctly. Match correct country with correct currency. Given below are the steps required to follow if you want to access any website from the internet. Rearrange these steps in a correct order. Step 1. Press enter or click on go button. Step 2. Write website name in the address bar. Step 3. Click on the Internet Explorer sign available on your computer. So arrange these steps in a proper correct order. Question 33. Select the correct match. Now some books name are given. You have to select the books with their authors. So who is the author of the BFG? Peter Brown, E.B. White, Roald Dahl, Andrew Clements. So who is the author of The Wild Robot? C. Charlotte Webb. D. Frindle. Now choose the correct author. Identify the 3-digit number. Its tens digit is smallest prime number. Its hundreds digit is tens digit of 500 plus 335. its ones digit is 3 more than its tens digit. So first identify the tens digit and then identify the ones digit, which is 3 more than its tens digit, and then you can go for the second step. Select the incorrect statement. First men's T20 World Cup was won by Sri Lanka. Second, Milkha Singh is known as the Flying Sikh of India. Third, Leander Peace became the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games. Now choose the incorrect statement. Check your answers here. You can see the answers of all questions here. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, like, share and subscribe.